Dreaming of a career in design? Looking for how to go for USEED? Introducing the Ultimate 14 book set by AFA India, designed to give you a competitive edge. Prepare to ace USEED examination with the best resources at your fingertips. Our 14 book set is the ultimate guide to mastering USEED, meticulously designed by experts, and it covers every aspect of the examination. This comprehensive set, along with the online mocks, covers everything you need to succeed in the USEED examination. Inside 14 book set, you will find two books on observation and design sensitivity, covering topics like logos, photography, optical illusion, typography, animation, and many more. One book on visualization and spatial awareness improves your ability to visualize and transform 2D shapes and 3D shapes and their spatial relationship, and covers topic like paper cutting, paper folding, counting surfaces, rotation, mirror images, water images, etc. One book on environmental and social awareness covers complete art and architecture history, along with detailed art and culture related topics, craft, and many more. One book on design thinking covers problems related to design. For example, what is the difference between good and bad design? What is the process of design thinking, etc. Book on scientific concept covers the basic scientific concepts and the questions which are asked in the examination. Apart from this, one book each on reasoning, quant, English. For part B, we have 5 books on creativity, which enhances your fundamental skills and teaches you a good know-how to solve 2 creative questions of USEED in part B. You also get a USEED question bank with sample papers and USEED test series. Apart from this, all USEED aspirants of AFA, they are added to AFS portal so that they can get access to 10 online mocks which are specifically designed to analyze and improve your abilities to write USEED examination. You also get recorded videos of previous year solved question banks in the AFA's portal. So, get your hands on the complete 14 book set for USEED preparation. Don't miss out this opportunity to excel, and order now.